Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so for sure you will be able to figure out how to do it in your browser based on this tutorial. Alright, so when we are in the browser, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, here we've got the list of previously visited websites, and of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But to be honest, if you've got a lot of websites to remove, or you want to remove some more advanced data, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. Alright, so if you're ready, tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.